going
to repair my
laptop.
laptop.
And I say, yeah.
It's like a wounded child.
And that's our company, guys. Albert and his wife.
Blöde Ding ist so, ist der halbe Bildschirm ist schon aus der Fassung rausgesprungen. Das
We are here, baby.
Yeah, we are here to...
We're going to find the repair shop.
Go to your boss coffee shop.
Your favorite coffee.
Yeah. It's right.
Super.
Yeah.
Identification. This one.
This one? Okay.
Prowess lang.
It's 4,500 if we fix, but just give me I think 3 hours.
3 hours? Okay, here we go.
This one is 16.
Yeah.
Two.
Is it big enough?
Yeah. It's big enough. This is 21. Panasonic. This is bigger.
It's even bigger.
Oh, this is nice.
This is nice.
It's bigger. 21.
What is the brand?
It's Panasonic.
Sonic. It's good.
It's a big one. That's that.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. You deliver?
Yes.
Night charge.
Asan nga?
Valencia.
Valencia.
Kid.
Hi.
I like this.
I think that one here.
This one.
Okay, this one. Good sir.
Well,
1,530 delivery fee.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay?
That's it.
Yeah, well,
Ano
you like
When
it?
do you want to deliver?
Pwede na karon.
Tanaw na nato ang studio.
Sige.
Yeah.
1 year, and for our compressor is 10 ba? One.
Hi, baby. You look fresh.
I look fresh. Oh, I'm so tired. Maybe you have to mention.
What's next?
GoPro. Looking
Yes.
for a nice GoPro. Diving. Hopefully, we will have a little bit more luck than last time.
We have memory card.
Pardon?
Memory card.
We have
We have memory
have-
card. Yeah.
Stick.
we
Yeah,
have
we have. You know, we had a GoPro 9 last year.
Yeah. You have accessories?
Brand new. and we put it in the water only like that, and water came in. So it's
Surface
a-
ra.
So
Naguba
We
din.
have also underwater case.
we also have.
How
but
do you have
we didn't use it because it was only surface. You
You
know.
should use that.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe-
we learned that.
Yeah. It's only this one.
So, yeah, only this.
10, 11.
Okay.
This is the newest. Because that one is, I think it's color blue. This one is the Enduro.
Okay.
We'll use in 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay.
But this one now is 12.
Okay. Salamat.
Pila na?
Yeah. That would be nice.
Our change is 620, sir. This is the official receipt, sir. Please keep this one for the 1 year warranty.
Okay, maybe you need to keep it. Yeah, this one is
It's white. It's Enduro. It's the latest.
It's the newest one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's not for SD charging.
First.
Can go up. You use the. You have original housing.
Pardon?
That's the original. You buy the original.
Yeah, I bought an original, but I bought it in Germany and I lost the receipt, you know. But maybe I can. Do you have a repair service for that?
Maybe.
But
Only in my country. Yeah.
Because you don't have a service center also. Good job.
So, I was not allowed to bring my pillow inside. Now, I'm number 256 here. This happens to you if you have a pillow, if you try to bring a pillow inside the supermarket. We are walking through a supermarket. Walking.
going to buy.
I'm walking. I'm talking.
We're going to buy some
What do we buy?
chicken.
Chicken. And sweet potatoes. So. Maybe is that here? Yeah, let's try to live healthy after all the fried chicken. Oh my goodness. Sweet potatoes, okay, you got it. What else do we need? Ah, this is Roma lettuce.
We choose
Yeah.
lettuce.
Oh, right, angel.
The chicken is there. Do you want pork?
Nope.
You can choose sometimes.
Oh, that's sometimes, but no. No.
No?
No. I shouldn't do that.
We have chicken breast. Maybe we get chicken drumstick. Here. Oh, we don't need
Legs?
legs.
Yeah, let's eat legs. Okay, yeah, it's cool.
get this. Sorry.
Don't bring it in contact with the fresh stuff because
You're so open.
away. I'm away. Oh my goodness.
What else?
What about fish?
There. Let's go.
Mango. We need mango. Okay.
We only have one left.
Okay. Maybe I want to check it here.
Going to pay now. And that's it. We're done.
We are bankrupt now. Bankrupt but happy.